Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a React Native project, Firebase project, and platform build tools. Install at React Native Firebase/app and at React Native Firebase/Crashlytics now, and run pod install for iOS. Next, add both Android and iOS apps in the Firebase console, then download Google Services, JSON, and Google Service Info. List into the correct folders. Once done, enable Crashlytics in the console and apply the Gradle and Cocoa pods integration. Now you wire native layers. On Android, place Google Services. JSON and app / apply the Google Services plugin and add the Crashlytics dependency to build. Gradle files. On iOS, add Google Service Info. List to the runner target and add the Crashlytics run script phase to upload DSYMs. Once native is configured, import Crashlytics from at React Native Firebase/Crashlytics in your JS entry. Call Crashlytics. Set Crashlytics collection enabled, true, and add a test crash routine to verify reports are sent. Finally, verify the integration by triggering a controlled crash. Use a button that calls Crashlytics. Crash, and then relaunch the app so the report is submitted. Make sure Firebase shows the event. If stack traces are obfuscated, confirm Pro Guard mappings or iOS DSYM uploads. If you don't see reports, enable verbose native logs, confirm API keys and Firebase config files are in the right targets, and rerun symbol upload steps. Doing this resolves most common reporting issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.